Hi guys, I hope you're well. We've got a video today as part of the Castle School Bake Off Challenge, and I've got a little helper to help me.
Hello, I'm Caitlin and I'm 9.
So Caitlin, my daughter, is going to help me today. We've got our aprons on. I've got my wife's apron on. Caitlin's got her apron on, and first thing we're going to do is wash our hands. So we're using the BBC Good Food Guide recipe today, and Caitlin's going to show us the ingredients.
So we need some milk, self-raising flour, 4 eggs, caster sugar and baking powder. We also need a bowl to mix it all in and some scales.
Okay, next job is to preheat the oven to 190 degrees. So I'm just going to do that now. If you're at home, ask someone to help you, mum or dad or an auntie or uncle who can help you. Okay, so that's warming up nicely. Let's get on with doing some cooking.
Okay, now you need to get a bit of greaseproof paper, just a little bit, and get some cooking butter on it, and grease 2 tins.
About 20 centimetres in depth.
A few moments later.
Now you need to get some, like a whole bit of greaseproof paper and put it in the tin.
Yeah, you might want to get an adult to help you with this bit. So, I'm going to measure that out and I'm going to roughly cut. I was never very good at art at school. So, I'm going to put all that down like that, and then we're going to trim round and just tie it all up. So there we go, that's one done. During lockdown I've been practising a lot of magic. From this, and there we go. Excellent. So now we're going to mix in all the ingredients together. So first of all we need 200 grams of flour. Are we good?
There we go.
Perfect. So we put the flour in the bowl. Next step.
Put the sugar in. So we need 200 grams of sugar again. Next step is to put 200 grams of butter in your measuring bowl.
So if you get another spoon to help you get your butter out.
And then you put that in the bowl with all your other ingredients at the moment.
Okay. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Next we're going to crack 4 eggs into this bowl here, and Caitlin's going to beat them up together. So I'm just going to crack those eggs. So that's 1, 2, 3, and final one is number 4. Okay.
Next you have to beat all the eggs together. Now we've beaten the eggs, we'll put them into the bowl.
Two tablespoons of milk. One.
2.
2. Right, now we're going to mix this all together in the bowl.
With a whisk.
A few moments later.
Okay, that's all the ingredients all mixed together in the bowl. What we're going to do now is we're going to transfer this into the bowl, and we're going to have the same amount in both tins. Okay, so we'll start by pouring this in.
You might need an adult to help.
I feel some magic coming on for this, so let's just see if my magical powers are still working. And there we go. Because Caitlin has done this before, I'm going to help her today, and she's going to put it into the oven.
Top or bottom?
In the top.
There we go.
There's one. There's number 2.
2.
Okay, so it's been in for 20 minutes. I've checked it a couple of times. Now it's ready to come out.